Imagine handing your life savings to someone. Not because he promised impossible riches, but because everyone trusted him. Banks trusted him. Celebrities trusted him. Charities trusted him. Even Wall Street believed he was a financial genius. For decades, he made people think he had discovered the secret formula for making money. But behind the curtain, there were no brilliant investments, no revolutionary strategy, no magic, just one of the biggest lies in financial history. A scam so enormous, it swallowed nearly $65 billion. And by the time the truth came out, thousands of lives had already been destroyed. So, how did Bernie Madoff fool the smartest investors in America for almost 20 years? To understand this story, we need to go back to Wall Street in the 1990s. America was booming. The stock market kept climbing. Everyone wanted a piece of the American dream. Investment firms were promising higher returns. Competition was fierce. And then there was Bernie Madoff. He wasn't some unknown businessman. He was respected, admired. He even served as chairman of Nasdaq. If Wall Street were Hollywood, Madoff was an Oscar-winning actor. His investment funds seemed different. While other funds had ups and downs, Madoff delivered almost the same profits, month after month, year after year, about 10 to 12% annually. Always calm, always consistent. To investors, it looked like perfection. But in finance, perfection is often the biggest warning sign. Here's how the scam actually worked. Imagine a bucket with a tiny hole. Instead of fixing the hole, you keep pouring more water into it. As long as new water keeps coming, nobody notices the leak. That's exactly what Madoff did. When new investors deposited money, he didn't invest it. He simply used that money to pay returns to older investors. The older investors became walking advertisements. They told friends, family, business partners, "Look how much money Bernie made for me." More people joined. More money arrived. And the illusion became even stronger. This is called a Ponzi scheme. A financial pyramid built on trust, not profits. The biggest trick wasn't the fake returns. It was exclusivity. Madoff often rejected potential investors. People begged him to take their money. Psychologists call this scarcity. If something seems hard to get, people automatically believe it's valuable. Ironically, being rejected made investors trust him even more. Banks invested. Universities invested. Charities invested. Millionaires invested. Nobody wanted to believe something this successful could be fake. Then came 2008, the global financial crisis. People became scared. Instead of investing more, they wanted their money back. Billions of dollars were suddenly withdrawn. And that's when everything collapsed. Because there was no money. The investments never existed. The profits were fake. The statements were fake. The empire disappeared almost overnight. December 10, 2008. Bernie Madoff confessed to his sons. It was all one big lie. The next day, the FBI arrested him. The greatest financial illusion in American history was over. The damage was catastrophic. Families lost retirement savings. Hospitals lost endowment funds. Universities lost millions. Charities shut down forever. Some victims had trusted Madoff for decades. A few couldn't bear the loss. Several investors took their own lives. Financially, the losses reached nearly $65 billion on paper. It became the largest Ponzi scheme ever uncovered. More importantly, it shattered trust. People realized something uncomfortable. Sometimes, the biggest danger isn't obvious fraud. It's believing someone simply because everyone else believes them. Bernie Madoff didn't invent greed. He exploited trust. He understood something timeless. People don't invest only because of numbers. They invest because of reputation, status, and fear of missing out. His story reminds us, If an investment looks too perfect, it probably isn't real. Because in finance, there are no guaranteed winners, only guaranteed risks. So here's the question. If the world's biggest banks, billionaires, and financial experts couldn't detect this scam for nearly 2 decades, do you think it could happen again today? Tell me your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden stories behind money and power, subscribe, because history has a habit of repeating itself.